Hi, Ryan Harder here at the Danny Hall Estate in McCool Junction, Nebraska. Looking at selling a full line of equipment for the estate on the August 25th BigIron online auction. We're going to be hosting an open house on August 20th here on site, McCool Junction. So on the estate we have a MT765 track tractor, a MT755 track tractor. We also have a New Holland 8970 MFWD, and behind me here is a 760 Lexion combine selling. Also selling is a 16-row Claus corn head and a 40-foot flex head. We have a full line of planters. We got a 12-row, 36-inch row Kinsey planter, a 16-row, 30-inch Kinsey planter. Also selling is an Ag Synergy no-till anhydrous machine, 16-row, 30-inch. We got a couple seed tenders. Also have a Landau vertical till machine. We got a couple different cultivators, 12-row, 36-inch B&H cultivator and an Orthman 8315 16-row 30 cultivator. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 308-391-2072. Go to www.bigiron.com to view and bid on all items. And also, once again, come to the open house on the 20th.